You think you're unlucky. No, you're simply living at 60% and convincing yourself it's fate. And I'll prove it to you right now, because if you were actually going 100%, your life wouldn't look anything like it does today. You're not stuck because you need to be patient. You're stuck because you're leaving entire parts of your life untouched. And the exact weaknesses you're avoiding is where your next level is hiding. Everyone keeps telling you, be patient, trust the process, your time will come. You know what that sounds like? Sounds like a prompt for men who are too scared to fight their own gaps. So your time is not coming. There is no magical moment. There is no universe that rewards half effort. You're not waiting on life. Life is waiting on you to close these gaps. So let me be brutally honest with you. Most men think they're working hard, but they're not. You're working in the same area over and over again because that's where you feel competent. So you go to the gym, that's good. You do a bit of work, that's good as well. You read your books, listen to podcasts, that's great. But look at the rest areas of your life. Your finances. Your finances are weak. Your discipline, it's inconsistent. Your nutrition, it's a joke. Your focus isn't aligned. Your habits are soft. And your environment is a trash. These untouched areas are the exact reason your life is stuck at 60%. And you already know which areas I'm talking about. So you're not lost, you're just avoiding. And I know this because I lived it. When I was running my boat rental business in south of France, I was really hungry. I pushed, I learned, I dealt with clients, problems, breakdowns. I did everything. I grew it, I scaled it, and I hit a ceiling. And when I realized there was no margin left, I sold it for 7 figures. But here's what nobody tells you. The moment you reach a ceiling in one area, your next level is hiding in a completely different part of your life. And for me, the next level wasn't more boats, wasn't growing my business. It was learning about money and investing differently. It was upgrading my discipline. It was fixing my nutrition. It was rebuilding my physique. It was learning about real estate in a different country and getting started in new ventures. Speaking with different agents until I found the right one. Visiting hundreds of buildings in different neighborhoods, understanding taxes, structure, and how to operate. Buying my first investment property in Miami from zero. And now YouTube, the brand, another beginning stage, another gap I'm attacking head on. Because growth doesn't come from doubling down on what you already know. It comes from stepping into the areas where you feel uncomfortable, insecure, inexperienced. That's where identity changes. And when you attack your weaknesses, everything shifts. You become sharper, more disciplined, more dangerous, more focused. Your physique changes, your confidence changes, your opportunity multiply, and people treat you differently. And doors open that weren't even visible before. And suddenly you realize the truth. The only thing you weren't missing was courage. Not motivation, not luck, not patience. So stop convincing yourself you're doing your best, because you're not. You're doing your best in the areas you like. That's not discipline. That's comfort disguised as effort. So your weak areas, the ones you pretend don't exist, those are the exact places holding all the power. So ask yourself right now, where are you refusing to look? What part of your life have you been neglecting for years? That's where your 100% is hiding. And here's how you become 1% better tomorrow. Identify the 3 areas you've been avoiding. Pick one area, attack it every single day for the next 30 days, build a routine that removes negotiation, build a system, a real system, and be consistent with it. Do it even when you don't feel like it, especially then. That's when your identity shifts. Because your life doesn't change when you get motivated. It changes when you take responsibility. Your life changes the moment you stop pretending that patience will save you. There is no future version of you coming to rescue. It's just you today, closing the gaps, fixing the weaknesses, and stepping into the 100% version of yourself. The best version of yourself. Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.